Well, Chris, the temperatures keep dropping. I mean, today was nice because the sun was shining, but it's going to be colder tomorrow.
Yeah, I mentioned how yesterday will go down as the nicest day
Yes,
this week.
and you were right.
But I do have some good news.
Oh, okay.
Things are changing for the better, I promise. Yeah, today was nice. We had cloud cover for much of the day. We've had a nice breakout of sunshine here, but things were calm and actually pretty warm at Roseland Park in Edina, and really many towns and look at that fuzzy dog. Hello, baby. Yeah, 50s were pretty much the norm across all of southern Minnesota. We did nose up into the low 50s here in the metro, which is still well above the average high of 43. We're still above it at this moment. I told you how today would be no problem. The storm's not coming till tomorrow morning. So keep in mind tonight and overnight tonight as well. You're not going to wake up to a blanket of snow on the ground unless you sleep in till like 10 tomorrow morning or something. But out there right now, it's all good. I've been looking at the local airports to see if there's any of this snow actually hitting the ground or accumulating. It's just coming up with cloudy reports. So there have been a lot of David Bowie-like changes in the last 24 hours and really in the last couple of hours with the storm track. It is trending farther south now, and we're starting to see more and more alignment with the different models, whereas yesterday at this time, we had a spread of 1 inch to 12 inches possible. Now we're starting to see more consistency. So some of the models, in fact, are saying no impact in the metro, that we'll get shut out with no snow. We'll talk about that. And that means the alerts have been downgraded. Not winter storm warning anymore. We have advisories and still a blizzard warning to the south. That's the key that is the same. The southern Minnesota impact. We have the next weather alert because the wind is still going to be a big player with the heavy wet snow causing blizzard warnings. We'll talk about that too. So here's the storm path still coming up from the south. What's changed is the track has basically shifted about 50 miles to the south. And I told you with that sharp cutoff on the northern edge, that's significant because before that was heading up toward the St. Cloud area. Now it's right across the Twin Cities area. Winter weather advisory still in play for the southern metro. Here's the blizzard warning. This is where the wind could be blowing over 40 miles per hour. Even though it's going to be a wet, heavy snowfall, that will still blow around, and huge visibility issues while it's falling. So tomorrow's temperatures, note the upper 30s, some 40s. This is why the snow will be of that wet consistency. We might have it down at a ratio of 8 inches to every 1 inch of water, which is incredibly low, and that's a very wet content of snowfall. So here we go. Tomorrow morning, the timing is still pretty consistent. I think it arrives right around the morning commute, but watch what's happening. The models are kicking it a little farther south. I still think we could see some snow in the Twin Cities, and I still think the worst of it is going to be through Owatonna, heading toward Red Wing and Eau Claire. That's where the snow will be falling while the wind is blowing, but it really cuts us out of play and even brings in some sunshine later in the day. That means perhaps under 1 inch in the Twin Cities. We will see it accumulate to the south and east, and a major accumulation still down in southern Minnesota. Models for the Twin Cities on the high end now, 3.3 inches. On the low end, a shutout. A shutout. We'll see if that plays. But look at the winds. It's going to be a very windy, raw day still tomorrow, and these strong winds playing with that snow, it's going to be a mess. That's why we have the next weather alert, because we have plenty of viewers watching us south of the Twin Cities. You're important to us, and it's going to be a rough go tomorrow. Things calm down and melt rather quickly with highs in the 40s. That's above average. We will cool a bit as we head toward the weekend. So we'll have another update before the 10 o'clock news tonight, and we'll see if it continues to trend farther south. Could it come north again? Of course it could. And any change, I'll let you know as soon as I know.
Okay, keep it south if you would.
That's what most people are saying.
Yeah, all right. Thanks.
Thank you.